आतां ह्या वेदीर सन्मान कार्यासलचें आसा. संगीतांत आपली विशिश्ट देणगी दिल्ल्या संगीतकाराक हो मान फावो जावचो जावन आसा. आदल्या वर्सा मानेस्तीण विमला लोबो हिका हो मान फावो जाल्लो आनी ह्या वर्सा मानेस्तीण ग्लॅडिस सिल्वर हिका आज ह्या वेदीचेर सन्मान कार्य चलतलें. सन्मान कार्य चलोवन व्हरूंक हांव मुखार आपयतां बाय कॅरन टेलिस. बाय कॅरन सान लुवीस कॉलेजींत दुसऱ्या वर्साचें B.Com पदवी शिकोवन आसा. गायन, नाच तशें लोकासंगीत बरसोवचें अशें जायतीं देणी तिका आसात. बाय कॅरनाक हें कार्य चलोवन व्हरूंक हांव उपकार मागतां.
A very good evening to one and all. We have gathered here on the occasion of International Music Day to commemorate and celebrate the joy and the very existence of music in our lives. On this occasion, we wish to celebrate the magical gift of music. It is a day where musicians, both local and amateur, are allowed and encouraged to perform their music in public spaces without any restriction. It is a fabulous day to celebrate the spirit of music in all its forms. On this event of commemoration, I, Karen Tellis, take the privilege to host a special felicitation ceremony this evening. Sumer, the singing club established by Man Soban, has taken the initiative to honor the contributions of eminent persons in the field of music. Today, we wish to honor one such eminent gem, Mrs. Gladys Silver, for her contribution to beautify music. Before we begin the felicitation ceremony, I request Mr. Louis Pinto, President Man Soban, Mr. Eric Oserio, Gurkar Man Soban, Mr. Sunil Montero, Convener Sumer, Mrs. Kavita George, Treasurer Sumer, to escort a rewardee, Mrs. Gladys Silver, onto the dais. I take this opportunity to introduce to each of you our awardee for today, Mrs. Gladys Silver. Mrs. Gladys Silver was born at Udupi and had her education at Christian High School, Udupi. During her high school days, she learned both the keyboard and violin under the guidance of her guru, late Mr. Vincent Salins. Later on, she started playing the organ for Udupi Church during divine service and also for the church choir. She was married in the year 1957 to Mr. Vincent Silver, one of the great musicians of Mangalore who used to play for Ashok Charan those days. Thereafter, both of them played the organ and violin during church service and also for choir at Shushanti Church, Merkira Hill. She started tutoring for keyboard and violin in the year 1972 and went on to learn the guitar from her husband and later started teaching guitar too. Even today, she continues to teach guitar, violin and keyboard to many students in Mangalore and also prepares students for grade exams. For the past 44 years, she has taught music to many students. And some of them are famous musicians today. She is a church organist of Sushanti Church for the past 58 years. Mr. Sunil Kumar, who is the lead violinist at Man Soban Orchestra, is a nephew of late Mr. Vincent Silver. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you all, Mrs. Gladys Silver. We shall now have the official felicitation ceremony. May I now request Mr. Sunil Montero, Mr. Eric Oserio to read out the citation to be presented to our awardee, Mrs. Gladys.
Sumail, the singing club of Man Soban, takes pride in honoring Mrs. Gladys Silver for her 44 years of outstanding service in the field of music as a music teacher. This honor is conferred on this day, the 2nd of October 2016, at the International Music Day celebrations held at Kalangan, Mangalore. Signed, Sunil Montero, Convener, Sumail, Louis J. Pinto, President, Mansoban. Dear.
Mrs. Irene Rubello to begin the felicitation ceremony by draping the shawl. Mrs. Kavita George, Treasurer Sumail, will garland our awardee, and Mr. Louis Pinto, President Mansoban. I now wish to invite our awardee, Mrs. Gladys Silver, to say a few words on this occasion in acknowledgement of the felicitation of her contribution to music.
ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರೆದಿರುವ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸಭಿಕರೇ, ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಸಂಗೀತ ದಿವಸದ ಆಚರಣೆಯ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೋರುವವಳಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿ ಗಾಯನಗಳನ್ನು ಸಾದರಪಡಿಸಿದ ಸುಮೇಳ್ ಗಾಯನ ತಂಡವನ್ನು, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿ ಸಂಗೀತವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ ಸಂಗೀತ ತಂಡದ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಸದಸ್ಯರನ್ನು ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸುವಳಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇದ್ದ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಈ ದಿನ ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕರೆತಂದು ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ಮಾನ್ಸೋಂಬನ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೂ ಅವರ ಗುರುಕಾರರಾದ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಏರಿಕೆ ಉಜಾರಿಯೋ ಅವರಿಗೂ, ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಿಗೂ ನಾನು ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸುವಳಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ಸನ್ಮಾನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅರ್ಹಳೆಂದು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೂ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ಈ ದಿನ ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಆಭಾರಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಮಾನ್ಸೋಂಬನ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ಹೀಗೆ ಮುಂದುವರಿಯಲಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಕೊಂಕಣಿಯ ಮಾತೆಯ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಬಹಳ ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿರುವ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಗುರುಕಾರರಾದ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಏರಿಕೆ ಉಜಾರಿಯೋ ಹಾಗೂ ಅವರ ಕುಟುಂಬವನ್ನು ದೇವರು ಆಶೀರ್ವದಿಸಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಈ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಲು ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ದಯಪಾಲಿಸಲೆಂದು ದೇವರೊಡನೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸುವಳಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ಮುಂದುವರೆಯಲಿರುವ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಇನ್ನುಳಿದ ಗಾಯಕ ಗಾಯಕಿಯರಿಗೂ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಾದರಪಡಿಸುವ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಈ ಶುಭವನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತಾ ಈ ನನ್ನ 2 ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
आंतरराष्ट्रीय संगीत दिवस आचरणाचो मुखलो वांटो आतां हांगासर सादर जाता. कोंकणीच्या विविध समुदायां पैकी एक विशिश्ट समुदाय आसा सिद्धी समुदाय. आफ्रिकन मुळा असो हो लोक उत्तर कन्नडांत वस्ती करता. प्रकृतीक चड लाग्गे असो हो लोक कठीण परिश्रमी लोक. आंगान घटमूट, नाच गायनान जबरदस्त. तांचे कडेन लोकवेदाचें भंडार आसा. नागरीक संवसाराक चड वळसानांतलो हो लोक आपली सांस्कृतीक गिरेस्तकाय उरोवन घेवन आसा. आंब्याचे खोले पेंगटाक बांदून तांचो नाच तांच्या गांवांनी चलता. हांगासर तुमकां पळोवंक मेळचो ना आंब्याचे खोले, भायर रुकार मात्रात. तांचें नेसाण विशिश्ट नाच विशिष्ट, वसंत विशिष्ट, तिंच विशिष्ट, दमाम वजंत्र वापरणं त्यांचे संगीत चलता. तुम्ही हांगा पळयतल्यात धमाम वजंत्र. सिद्धी नासाक राम राम हो, आमच्या वाड्या वडिलाक राम राम हो म्हणून बेळें बरें जावंक पावस बरो येजय, बेळें बरें जाल्यार आमचो नाच बरोच चलता म्हणून मुखार सून वेता पद. ताज्या उपरांत इल्ली कुशालाय चलता. नाका नाका म्हळ्यार काजार केलें रे मामा म्हणलें दुरसोण आयकोंक मेळटा. पिक्चराक एक टिकेट हाडल्या म्हणटाना नाका नाका तो म्हातारो ताचे तुका वसाना म्हणटा, अशें इल्ले शेले चलतात. आनी अणकाणे आमकां आयकोंक मेळटा. पद आसा सिद्धी नासाक राम राम हो, पंगडाची वळख करून दिता. मुखेली आसा सुनील सिद्धी. दमामाचेर मिलाग्रीन सिद्धी, घुमाट प्रकाश सिद्धी. नाच नाचतात शशिकला सिद्धी आणि सुनील सिद्धी. गायनान संगात दितात लिल्ली सिद्धी, मेरी सिद्धी आणि आमचो सुमेळ पंगड. पद आसा
राम राम